Small plumbing problems rarely start as emergencies. They usually begin quietly, behind walls, under sinks, or around fittings you don't think about until the damage is already done. That's where the upgraded Whywait Plumbing Service Partner Plan comes in. It's a 12-month homeowner maintenance agreement designed to help you stay ahead of the hidden plumbing issues around your home. The idea is simple: identify, record, schedule, maintain. The plan helps you keep track of the plumbing assets that matter. From water pressure valves and hot water systems to tempering valves and mixer tap isolation points. It also covers everyday fittings that are often overlooked, as taps and mixers, flexible hoses, tap filters, and the valves tucked away under sinks and throughout the home. And it extends to drains and external plumbing too. So you're not relying on memory when something starts wearing out or needs checking. A lot of serious plumbing damage starts with a small part failing. A flexible hose, a cistern valve, or an under-sink fitting can let go without much warning and cause major water damage fast. Water pressure matters too. If your water pressure is high or unknown, it can put extra strain on taps, flexible hoses, appliances, and pipework throughout your home. Then there's hot water safety. If a system or tempering valve isn't performing properly, it can affect comfort, efficiency, and safety for everyone in your home. As a member, you get planned asset reviews, reminders when key items are due for attention, and a clearer service history to support future maintenance or replacement decisions. You may also receive member pricing on eligible work and priority booking options where available, which can make ongoing maintenance easier to manage. This plan can be especially useful if you live in an older home, you've had leaks before, or you're not sure whether your water pressure is where it should be. It also makes sense if your hot water system is aging, have multiple bathrooms, mixer taps or drains that seem to need attention more often than they should. And if you travel, manage a busy household, or just want reminders instead of surprises, having a service partner plan in place can bring real peace of mind. Whywait Plumbing has been serving the Gold Coast, Tweed and Tamborine since 1976, with a long focus on practical service and long-term care for local homes. If you'd like a clearer picture of the plumbing assets in your home, book a service partner review or request to join the plan today.